Welcome to Prognosis EMR. In this video, we'll walk you through the Insurance Eligibility AI summary workflow, including AI-generated summaries and improved usability features. To get started, navigate to the Appointment Schedule screen and click the Add New Appointment icon to open the Appointment Schedule pop-up. When a patient is selected in the name field, the corresponding patient details are automatically displayed within the pop-up. Users can view insurance eligibility information by clicking the Eligibility Summary icon. If the required pair ID is not configured in the patient's insurance information, the eligibility icon will appear disabled. In such cases, a tooltip is displayed to inform the user that the pair ID is missing. Once the pair ID is configured and eligibility information is successfully retrieved, a green checkmark is displayed to indicate that eligibility data is available for the patient. The demographic update icon is designed to be more visible and easier to identify. If any patient or subscriber information does not match the clearinghouse data, the icon will blink to alert the user. This icon is also available directly on the insurance pop-up for quicker access. Red dot mismatch indicators. If any information mismatch is detected, red dot indicators appear beside the affected fields. These indicators may be shown in insurance screens, subscriber details, and patient registration screens. When users click the red dot, a demographic details pop-up opens with the related field pre-selected. Users can then choose to update the information or ignore it. Once updated, the red dot disappears, and the change is recorded in history. Comparison field setup. Mismatch indicators are controlled through the property called insurance.eligibility.patient.info.comparison.fields. Administrators can define which patient, insurance, or subscriber fields should be checked for mismatches. By default, common fields are already selected. For AI-generated eligibility summary, a system-level property called enable.re.generated.inseligibility.summary controls the AI summary feature. When enabled, the standard eligibility icon is replaced with the AI summary icon. This icon is available in Appointment Scheduler pop-up, Copay Collection pop-up and Edit Claim screen. The AI summary pop-up options. When users click the AI icon, a pop-up opens with three options: specific to visit, detailed summary and eligibility response specific to visit summary. This option generates a summary based on appointment location, date of service, place of service, service type, provider details, NPI, and taxonomy code. This helps create a visit-specific insurance eligibility summary. With print option, users can print the generated summary directly from the pop-up using the print button. This workflow helps users review eligibility information, identify mismatches, and access AI-generated summaries quickly and efficiently. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or need more help, please reach out to the Prognosis support team at support@bismarticsync.com.